How to lose weight fast. Cut back on refined carbs. One way to lose weight quickly is to cut back on sugars and starches, or carbohydrates. This could be with a low-carb eating plan or by reducing refined carbs and replacing them with whole grains. When you do that, your hunger levels go down, and you generally end up eating fewer calories. With a low-carb eating plan, you'll utilize burning stored fat for energy instead of carbs. If you choose to eat more complex carbs like whole grains along with a calorie deficit, you'll benefit from higher fiber and digest them more slowly. This makes them more filling to keep you satisfied. Eat protein, fat, and vegetables. Each one of your meals should include a protein source, fat source, vegetables, a small portion of complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains. Eating a recommended amount of protein is essential to help preserve your health and muscle mass while losing weight. Evidence suggests that eating adequate protein may improve cardiometabolic risk factors, appetite, and body weight. Here's how to determine how much you need to eat without eating too much. Many factors determine your specific needs, but generally, an average person needs 9 trusted source. 56 to 91 grams per day for the average male. 46 to 75 grams per day for the average female. Diets with adequate protein can also help reduce cravings and obsessive thoughts about food by 60%. Reduce the desire to snack late at night by half. Make you feel full. In one study, people on a higher protein diet ate 441 fewer calories per day. Healthy protein sources include meat, beef, chicken, pork, and lamb. Fish and seafood, salmon, trout, and shrimp. Eggs, whole eggs with the yolk. Plant-based proteins, beans, legumes, quinoa, tempeh, and tofu. Low-carb and leafy green vegetables. Don't be afraid to load your plate with leafy green vegetables. They're packed with nutrients, and you can eat very large amounts without greatly increasing calories and carbs. Vegetables to include for low-carb or low-calorie eating plans. Cauliflower. Brussels sprouts. Swiss chard. Cucumber. Healthy fats. Don't be afraid of eating fats. Your body still requires healthy fats no matter what eating plan you choose. Olive oil and avocado oil are great choices for including in your eating plan. Other fats such as butter and coconut oil should be used only in moderation due to their higher saturated fat content.